Today we're talking about an incredible $2,200 Blackout themed gaming PC you can build in 2022 and 2023. As usual, the first part we're going to take a look at is the motherboard. MSI Pro Z790P. Intel's new 13th generation line is phenomenal, and this i7-13700K is no exception. Next up, we have the memory, and I chose G.Skill's Ripjaw 5 Series 4. And get your Samsung 970 EVO SSD, 1TB or 2TB, whatever works best for you, and then gently push it into the M2 slot. Next up, also from the AIO box, you'll find these screws.